In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new vector layer. Clicking the New Layer button in the Data menu opens the Layer Creation panel. In the panel, it is necessary to enter the layer name, layer appearance color, the geometry type of the layer, and the attribute information that allows the common features of the geometries to be saved. After all fields are filled, the layer is created with the Create button at the bottom right of the panel. The layer created is listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.